Hi guys, Epic Night Fury here and Epic Night Eagle. So we don't really have exciting lives, so we decided we have some onion rings and we're gonna... Why is that so noisy?
I think you're supposed to keep it up here first. I don't think you're supposed to throw them in like that.
We decided that for supper we're gonna have onion rings, but we're gonna compare deep fried onion rings to oven baked onion rings and see what is better. Now close it.
That was scary.
They're so big.
Gonna get the oven going.
Oh, look how cute it is. It's so tiny.
It's so tiny.
I have a present for you. It's another wedding ring.
It's frozen. It's cold.
Go. Don't, ew. Oh, and I, okay. No.
Now you can cook it that
Now
I
we'll cook
put it in my mouth.
Yeah.
How many are we gonna oven? We can go for a second round in the deep fryer.
Yeah, there's probably enough to own.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a rebel and don't wait for the oven to preheat. Hello, hello. I'm Mr. Tones.
Looks like an alligator. They look
Are we just having
quite done already.
Are we just having onion rings for supper?
Well, that was the extent of my plan. I just was hungry, so
So we'll just deep fry and bake onion rings.
I don't
Except
know
the only problem is
what goes with onion rings, unless you're making burgers.
I don't think we have any burgers.
I think those are done. Listen to the sizzle!
Those are good.
Try to bite one.
Yeah.
Put it in your mouth.
Oh, it's hot. No.
Ow! That was hot.
I'll blow on it for you.
I don't know what else we should eat with these.
We could deep fry some smiley faces.
Ooh! We should do that. More bread.
You could try deep frying the quesadillas.
Bread, and onions. We could deep fry quesadillas.
Do you want to try it?
Sure. We should deep fry everything. We should deep fry some applesauce. We could start a series called Can You Deep Fry It?
Can you deep fry it?
The answer is yes. You can deep fry anything.
There's probably already a
Can you
like
deep
that.
fry it? Tape! Can you deep fry it? Let's find out. This was my inspiration. I keep A&W pamphlets on our fridge for
Not
inspiration.
sponsored.
I wish. We only have a tiny deep fryer, but deep fried onion rings look pretty darn good. And then oven onion rings, they're starting to sizzle, but they've been in there for, what has it been, 4 minutes now?
Yeah.
And these are done like 2 batches in 3 minutes. Now we're throwing some smiley fries in there, because why not?
It's too many.
No, was that the whole bag?
No, there's like some left.
Oh, okay. Slapper! Oh, yummy. Nice and crispy.
Better than A&W one.
Wow.
They've got a good seasoning, but their
Yeah.
onion pieces are like huge.
That's true. Like, these onion rings are really good. They're McCain onion rings. They're really, really good. Like, the taste and crunchy. But, I like A&W onion rings because they got the flavoring on them.
But their onions are too thick.
Yeah, they have really thick onions. Which I don't mind, but, like, in all of them, that's kind of rough.
I don't really like thick onions because I don't really like onions all that much. They just add good flavor.
These are so yummy.
Stay tuned for deep fried quesadillas.
Mmm.
We also have a Halloween party that we're having this weekend, and we'll vlog some of that.
Hopefully.
If we remember.
Last vlog we did, we said we were going to videotape stuff, and then we didn't, because we get so caught up in stuff, and then, I don't know, we don't think about taking out the camera.
But I want to get videos of like our costumes and stuff.
Yeah, sure. There's all kinds of people come there, and then we're like, it just doesn't go through your brain to grab the camera, because you're just into the moment. The onion rings are gonna be gone by the time everything else is cooked. It's just a wee little one. Have the oven one. And then they need to be flipped. They're like, yeah, they need to be flipped. I can smell them starting to burn.
Now, the moment everybody has been waiting for. Should we do one at a time?
No. Maybe? No.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, let's go big or go home. Put 2 in.
Alright, guys.
Oh! That's a good sizzle on that one. There's the quesadillas.
Yeah, they're looking pretty good. So what are we going to try first?
Go for the deep fried onion
Okay,
rings.
deep fried onion ring first.
Do we have to compare them?
Yeah, we're comparing.
Oops.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
Cool.
And you have to compare these ones to the oven baked onion rings.
The oven baked ones aren't too bad, actually.
I like them burnt. They're tasty.
They got like a little bit more of a flavor to them.
It's a different flavor.
Yeah, it is definitely a different flavor to the deep fried one.
I like the deep fried one though.
And it's a different sort of French too.
I say deep fryer wins.
Okay, now French fries. The smiley faces. They're pretty good. They're like nice and fluffy on the inside.
They're like what you would expect from a restaurant.
Yeah.
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth. The moment we've all been waiting for. It's probably hot, so be careful. Don't burn yourself.
No promises.
You ready?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How is it?
It's really good.
Describe the texture.
Crispy.
But soft. It's not as hot in the inside as I thought it was gonna be. It's a little spicy.
Yeah, it tastes like a normal quesadilla, except the bread is like, I don't know, it's like,
Deep fried or something.
oh, it's deep fried, but it's like crusty, but a good crusty.
So, we'll see you guys in our next video. I think next time we're doing a science experiment. So, look forward to that.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye.